Hi, this is Karen, and in this video I'll introduce you to Floppy Bunny and show you how he was made. Floppy Bunny started from this bottle, which has a great shape. Using hot glue and armature wire, plus aluminum foil, I gave him his limbs and head. Now it's time to Pal Tiya Floppy Bunny. Imagine a soft clay which you can sculpt with that air dries and becomes rock hard. That's what I have when I use this product. I add the eyes so I know how to do the face. Looks very cute already. As I add the mosaic pieces to Bunny, I imagine a story about him. Once there was a beautiful bunny who was very vain about his appearance. Then a terrible accident happened and Bunny lost his lovely coat. No one will ever love me, he thought. A woman took the damaged bunny home and started to remake Bunny using pieces of bright cloth. He became reborn as a quilted bunny. Then the woman gave Bunny to her little daughter, so Bunny was made whole again with a new child to love him. I hope you enjoyed my fun story about Floppy Bunny and how he came to be a quilted bunny. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!